Hey guys, it's your boy Epic Jamaican here, back at you with another video, and today we're playing part 2 to the Switch game.
Why are you jumping for?
Because I felt like you were gonna hit me.
Yeah, you know what's up.
We're gonna skip Zen, and we're gonna go right to treasure chests. So, let's go guys.
Treasure chest.
Basically, this one, all you gotta do is unravel the the chains off the treasure chests, and this is what you use.
Unravel the chains off the treasure chest.
Yeah, and you just turn.
It's pretty fun.
It's a lot of fun. We've been playing this one off camera, guys, so we already know what's up. You guys know what's up now. So let's get into the video.
Which one am I left or right?
I am right. You're left. Oh, it started already.
Wait, which one am I?
You're left, babe.
Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap!
No.
Oh Lord, I'm effing up.
Oh. Oh.
There we go.
No.
Oh shit.
No. No. Oh my god. All I have is one part and I can't complete it. Yes.
I effed up.
Finally, I can beat her in one game. Usually she kicks my butt in this one, guys. But look like I got her for the one time. Let's go again, guys.
Hold your Joy-Con sideways.
3, 2, 1, start!
No! No! I'm messing up so bad right now.
Don't you hate what happens? Like your sense of direction is just like so effed up.
Like, how do I get out of that little spot? Wow!
Boom.
I think that's a new high score. Like, she completely ruined me.
It don't tell me if it's a new high score.
I think it is. Is it?
I don't think so. Oh shit, you right? Yeah. Okay.
Damn. I got my ass.
Okay, 2 more.
Treasure chest!
Okay, we gotta get at least one more, guys. We gotta win here at least one more time.
No.
Captain, hold your tongue.
I just...
3, 2, 1, start!
Oh, I think we got her, guys. I think we got her. Yes.
I was on a roll and then like it got wrapped around that corner.
Yes. All right, that was a.
I love that game. That game
that's
one of
actually
my favorites.
That's actually one of our favorites. Are like all the Switch games that we've tried so far. But thank you guys for watching. It's been your boy Epic Jamaican and Kiana. And yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're going to be dropping. What are we going to be dropping tomorrow?
The 5th game.
The 5th game, but we have another video we're going to be dropping.
Which is Milk. That one's really fun.
Milk.
Too.
So look forward to the Milk video tomorrow, guys. It's been your boy Epic Jamaican. We out.
Wait, the thumbnail, right? You know what we should do, babe? Since I'm gonna be off for a couple days, babe, we can like do 3. Well, tomorrow I'll be off like Thursday and Friday, maybe. I don't know. But
how you do? What? Oh, for my birthday.
yeah, but I'm saying, babe, we can do a lot of these videos. You know what I mean?
Start.
So me coming home and doing it. We can do mill. We can do like 2 other rounds and just record them. You know what I mean? So you can just keep dropping them. You know what I mean? We'll be ahead of the game. Instead of us actually doing it tomorrow, we can actually sit down and just do it right now. You know what I'm saying? So let's do a thumbnail. What do you want to do? Which pose? I think we should post with the game, right?
No. Just have her Joy-Con.
Okay.
Treasure chest!
Yeah, we can just pose right here. 1, 2, 3, and...
Okay. Okay, so let's play milk. So you want to stop it and then start again, right?
Yeah, why is it still recording? The freak? Did I hit record again?
I'm not sure what you did. But
Oh, I didn't stop recording.
yeah, because that's the